Kira, welcome back to my channel. Now, if you tuned in last week, you'll have seen me talk about how you can start to position yourself as the go-to for your client and how you can use Instagram to really start doing this and to start building your brand. Well, today I'm spilling the tea on the 3 big mistakes that you're probably making in your Instagram captions that are getting in the way of you leveraging Instagram to build your brand, building connections with your audience, and generating fiery hot leads for your business. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you keep up to date with all my new videos, and make sure you stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to be giving you a brand spanking new freebie that you can use to make sure your Instagram captions are on point. Now, Instagram is my favourite social media platform to use for my business. It's fun, I love the community feel that it creates, and I've had some really great success with using it to start building my brand. Here's a fun fact. All of my clients have found me through my Instagram. And here's something even more surprising. Right now, I have less than 1,000 followers on Instagram. I know, did you fall into the vanity metrics pool of lies too? Step back and remember that when you're using social media platforms for your business, vanity metrics do not matter. What counts are the real followers, those people who are ideal clients and fans of what you're doing. That's why you're so much better off having 500 followers that are actively interested in what you're doing, who engage with you, and who one day might actually work with you, than having 10,000 followers who never really engage and will never turn into true fans. It can be really hard to remember this sometimes, especially when you start to compare yourself with accounts that have huge, hundreds of thousands of followers, massive audiences. But what you need to remember is that the value of your audience is in the quality, not the quantity. That being said, how can you grow a loyal, interested audience and gain clients on Instagram when you don't have thousands of followers? Well, the secret lies in the content that you're putting out. Now, Instagram is definitely a visual platform, that's obvious. But if you really want to connect with people, you need more than a pretty picture. You need a caption that is really going to elevate your content to the next level. That's what we're focusing on today. Instagram captions, and to be specific, 3 mistakes you want to start fixing fast so that you can build an audience, connect with your clients, and start turning followers into fans. So, what are these mistakes? The first one is too much I, not enough you. If you know even a teensy little bit about me and my methods by now, you'll know that I fully advocate client/audience focused content, whether it's the copy on your website or your Instagram captions. If the goal of this all is to connect with your audience, then you need to make sure they know that the message you're putting out there is for them. Too much too much focus on you as the business owner only serves to inform rather than to connect. Sure, we also want to use our Instagram captions to let our followers get to know us, but there is a way to do this that still serves to foster the connection, the relatability, and the commonality between you and your audience. A good tip is to write your captions as if you're talking to one person, your ideal client, and use the word you so that they feel as if you were talking just to them. The second mistake I see people making a lot of the time is having no call to action or no invite to engage. Just like on your website or in email campaigns, you need to tell your audience what you want them to do next. To create really engaging captions, you need to do the equivalent of asking your audience out on a date. You want to take it to the next level. You don't want them to scroll past, maybe double tap, and then leave. You want to build connections, so ask them a question, ask their opinion, ask them to share something with you. Tell them to go read your new blog post or watch your new video. And make it so they realize why this will help them. Make them feel that you are actually there behind the feed, that you care about them, and that you actually want to get to know them. Social media is supposed to be social, so let's remember to try to act like humans. Third big mistake I see is posting content that has no real purpose and no real goal behind it. Using Instagram for your business is really crucial to have a strategy behind it. Otherwise, you won't be able to maximize the potential of what you're posting. In my last video, I showed you how you can use Instagram to start to position yourself as the go-to and to start building authority in what you do. So with every caption you write and every piece of content you put out on Instagram, think about its purpose. Is this a caption to hit the no, like, and trust boxes and to show a little bit more of you? Is it a caption to give valuable content and to start showing your expertise? Is it to explain how you can help your clients with their problem? Think about what your goal is and think about what your audience and potential clients need to see and hear from you in order to start to build interest and to build connection. So, there are 3 of the big mistakes I see people making in their Instagram captions that are stopping them from building an audience of interested, engaged, and loyal fans and using Instagram to its full potential for their business. Now, I'm excited to share a new freebie I have for you, an Instagram caption checklist. In it, I share 5 things that you need to include in your Instagram captions if you really want to start using Instagram to build your brand. If you want captions that are going to encourage engagement and connection with your audience, and if you want captions that are really going to enable you to start building authority and positioning yourself as the go-to in your niche. To get the freebie, click the link here and it's also in the description of the video. Use this freebie to review and refine your own Instagram captions, and make sure to hit subscribe because next week I'm going to be sharing another classic copy mistake. This time it's the one big mistake that business owners make when writing copy. It's a juicy one, so make sure you stay notified so you can watch it as soon as it drops. Don't forget to like, dislike, or comment below if you find this video useful. Follow along with me on Instagram, and I'll see you next time.